All right, here's one more example. We've talked about a situation where we have the variable on both sides and we end up with a null set where there's no answer that will be true for the given equation. Well, there's also something called an identity, which is the opposite of a null set. Instead of having no answer that would work, there might be an equation where I can put anything in for x, any real number, and the equation balances out. This might be one of those examples. So we're going to go ahead and solve it. What you should be noticing right here is that we have grouping symbols and we have to get rid of those parentheses first. And you've got it. Distributive property is necessary. So this side I get 10x plus 16 minus 12. And I can go ahead and clean that up. This becomes 10x plus 4. That's the right side of my equation. Equals, and then I'm just going to bring this side down. 10x plus 4. 10x plus 4 equals 10x plus 4. Very interesting. This is different than that last example. If you want to keep moving and try to go ahead and put your variables together on one side of the equation, we can go ahead and subtract 10x from both sides. What do we have now? 10x minus 10x is 0. I'm going to bring down my 4 and bring down my equal sign. 10x minus 10x equals 0, and I have 4 again. And now I'm going to bring down my 4. Well, when is that true? When does 4 equal 4? That is always true, right? That's always true. When you're solving an equation with variables on both sides and you end up a situation like this where something always is true, instead of saying null set, what we say is identity. It's a special type of equation that's called an identity. And what that means is it doesn't matter what real number I put back in here for x, the equation is going to be true. So instead of using that 0 with the slash through it, we can open up our curly braces for sets. And we can use this symbol, which just means any real number, and we can put that inside curly braces, or we can just say identity. In fact, usually I say both. I get something like this, I say identity, any real number will work.